Hi there, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Danielle from the Castle Robotics Club in Newburgh, Indiana. Today we're making a Scribble Bot. Your STEM kit will include
A small DC motor, 2 AA batteries, a battery holder, a extra red wire, and an on and off switch.
an adhesive dot, 4 markers, some tape, a plastic cup, some googly eyes, and a weight, which in this case is a glue stick. The first thing you want to do is insert your batteries into the battery holder. You want to make sure you line up the plus or positive side of the battery with the plus in the battery holder. Now we're going to create the circuit to power the bot.
You're going to connect the red wire from the battery pack to one side of the switch and the other side of the switch to the extra red wire. Then connect the end of the red wire to the motor and complete the circuit with the black wire on the other side of the motor.
To connect the switch, just put the wire into the curl on the end of the middle node. Then twist it so it stays connected while you work. Secure the connection with a piece of electrical tape. Here's a tip. Don't put the wire in the middle of the tape. For the best connection, put the wire at one end of the tape and then wrap it around the wire. Do this for both sides of the switch.
Feed the wire into the small hole in the metal node. It is easier to insert the wire if you twist the end to keep all the wires together. Once you have it inserted, just twist it around to keep it in place. Once you have both sides connected, you can put a piece of tape around the whole motor to secure the wires.
Just make sure that the black and red wires aren't touching, or your bot will short circuit. When your circuit is complete, it should look like this.
Now we're going to attach the circuit to the plastic cup. Use tape to place the battery on the side of the cup and the motor on top of the cup. The motor should be close to the edge so the weight will be able to spin, and should be on the opposite side of the battery. This will help to keep your bot balanced so it doesn't fall over. Lastly, attach the on and off switch with the adhesive dot.
Now we need to add the markers to the inside of the cup, which will act as the legs of your bot. Just secure the markers with a couple pieces of tape. Here's a tip. Place the markers evenly around the cup all the way inside the cup, and be sure to put the markers on the side of the battery holder.
Now we add the weight. You just need to push the glue stick onto the end of the motor. You have to use some force to get it pushed on. Now you're going to activate your Scribble Bot.
Should we go to the floor?
I'm trying to find the right place for it.
The last step is to decorate your bot. You can decorate them with the provided googly eyes and tape. But you can also use anything else that you may have, like stickers, pipe cleaners.
We hoped you enjoyed making your Scribble Bot like we did.
Check out our channel for more STEM kit videos.